Welcome to the Shar and Joe Show. So we're in season 3 and we're switching up a little bit. We're doing creative ideas for portraits.
Yep, and it's spring over here, everything's starting to bloom, so I thought it'd be fun for us to do a creative photo shoot with flowers today.
Yeah, so we're outdoors. We're gonna be going to a couple locations in Chicago, but you can do these same photo shoots wherever you are. So let's get started.
All right.
So this morning we're here in Lincoln Park on the north side of Chicago, and you can see the apple blossoms are in full bloom. All these beautiful pink trees all the way down the block. We're gonna do a couple of creative portraits here, and Sharlene's gonna show us what we're gonna do.
So I have our props. I have a clear umbrella, but you can use any umbrella. And then I have some rose petals here. So I'm gonna be pouring them into the umbrella for this photo shoot.
But I got this on rapid shutter, so I should be able to take a bunch of them in a row, and hopefully get a shot. We'll probably try it a couple times just in case. Go. So I think this photo spot went pretty well.
Yeah.
I think we got a good shot. We'll share it with you guys. We're gonna clean up our mess, and then we're gonna head over to our next photo spot. We'll see you guys over there shortly. For this location, we're in near Montrose Harbor at the bird sanctuary. So beautiful area, some wildflowers growing on the ground. Spring is just beginning here, so not all the trees have leaves on them yet, but you can hear all the birds in the background, which is pretty nice.
For this one, we have a hula hoop, very simple. All I did was put some string of flowers, wrapped it around, and put some clear tape so it would stay, and it took me literally 2 minutes. So let's get this photo shoot started.
I don't know if it took her 2 minutes.
But it was really quick.
Yeah, fancy hula hoop. All right, let's get going. We got Sharlene sitting here. She's got her hands full of dandelions.
Yeah.
And she's gonna toss them out at me, and we're gonna do rapid shutter again to try to capture some flowers in midair. 3, 2, 1, go. For this shot, Sharlene's gonna lay down on the ground. We got this bouquet of flowers. So she's gonna lay flat on her back in the grass, and then she's gonna hold that up towards the camera. Let's get that one started.
So for this one, I have a yellow tulip, and this is gonna be my skirt, so that's why I changed into some shorts.
I don't know. I think it's not the right size.
You sure?
All right, let's make this a skirt. Abracadabra. Is it getting bigger? The idea is we're gonna hold this in front of Sharlene's shorts and make it a skirt. All right, so I got Sharlene in position here. So, it's Sharlene and Joe, and we're at a different location. It was bright and sunny yesterday too, but I didn't really like the flower shot that we got. So we got another tulip. Charlene's got her white shirt.
Yeah, I put on the same outfit and we're attempting it again, and we'll be posting the photo after this.
Yeah, it's a little windy today, so hopefully we get something, but I like the scene a little better here. The pier and the water. So, see you guys soon. And we got ourselves a little flower, and we're gonna just line them up with the wind. Whoa. Flowers blowing sideways. All right, and action. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. So hope you guys enjoyed our photo shoot. Let us know what you think about those final pictures that we took too. And if you do try it on your own, let us know how it goes.
Yeah, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to check out these photos, they are going to be on our Instagram page. See ya.
Bye.
Enjoy the breeze, feel the sun on your skin, and listen to your heart as it whispers the dreams held inside of it. Don't forget to take notes.
You held the umbrella right directly in front of your face.
Oh boy.
Can you hula?
Let's try it.
Oh! You got a rug burn. We'll see you on the next one. All right, so we got Sharlene sitting here.